Hey everyone, welcome back to Jntuk's concepts. So in this video we are going to discuss public relation, leadership and teamwork, three topics. So before starting these topics, so if you are new to the Jntuk's concepts channel, here we cover all the Jntu subjects that are important for your university exams and end semester exams. So these subjects may come under the syllabus of JNTU universities like JNTUA, JNTUK, Jntuh, etc. So don't forget to subscribe this channel, do like this video, and without any late, let's get into our today's topics. So our today's first topic is public relations. It is a planned effort and a professional maintenance of good relationships and public image and communications between company and the people or among all the stakeholders involved in the project. It's a big definition. So in simple, it is nothing but maintaining a good rapport or a good relationship with the people involved in the project or people surrounding in the project site. The public relations represent the trust and transparency so that people involved in a project can understand what is happening in the project. The public in PR refers to, usually PR stands to public relations, right? In that, P stands for public. So who are the public involved in a project or involved in a construction project? People like clients and owners, workers and subcontractors, government authorities and regulators, suppliers, media and general public, people around the site. All these are the people that are directly or indirectly involved in the project. So having a good and healthy public relation can help to prevent conflicts with locals, builds a good reputation and brand value for the company, ensures transparency in operations. It helps in getting approvals and support from authorities, improve client satisfaction and reduces misunderstandings, etc. issues. So to have a better public relation, a company should implement activities like informing public about project progress and safety measures, handling complaints from locals like about dust, noise and traffic, managing media reports about project, taking environmental responsibilities, promoting company's achievements and quality of work. So all these activities a company should be doing to have a better public relation with the people involved in the project. So that is all about the public relationships. These are small topics. So the second topic of this video is leadership. The ability to guide, motivate, influence others to work willingly towards achieving a common goal or a project. A good leader gives direction, makes decisions, inspires people so that work can be done efficiently and the project can get completed. Specifically in construction companies, leadership involves guiding workers and teams on site, making timely and accurate decisions, coordinate between different peoples, motivating workers to work safely. Usually in construction companies, a manager influences and directs subordinates to achieve organization objectives. A good leader in construction companies have some qualities like communication and negotiation, emotional intelligence, conflict resolution, decision making, confidence and responsibility. So these are some key qualities a good leader should have in a construction company. Not particularly in construction company, but in general these are some key qualities a leader like personality should have. So there are various types of leaderships like autocratic, a leader who takes full control and useful in the case of emergencies. Democratic, a leader who involves team members in decision making. Laissez-faire, the team has freedom and leader supervision is only when needed. Situational, a leader who changes style according to the situations. So these are the types in the leadership and we have covered what are the qualities that a leader should have. So that is all about leadership. And moving to the third topic and the last topic of this video is teamwork. We all know what is meant by teamwork. It's a general concept, but in construction field, the ability of people to work together for a common goal by sharing responsibilities, skills and effort. Teamwork involves coordination, cooperation, mutual respect between people involved. In construction companies, engineers, supervisors, contractors and workers, etc. all these people coordinate activities, share information, help each other to complete work on time. They also maintain safety and with quality. It helps to achieve a clear goal, communication, responsibility sharing, mutual support, trust, etc. Teamwork plays a key role to reduce delays and rework, improves safety on site, increased productivity, better problem solving, reduced hierarchical disputes. A good example for teamwork can be, so in terms of construction, an electrician and a plumber should team up with each other with the civil team so that they can avoid chances of rework. So that is about teamwork. So that is all about this video. Summary of this video is, in this video we have covered public relations, leadership and teamwork. Public relation is nothing but a planned effect and a professional maintenance of good relationship with all the people that are directly and indirectly involved in a project. And we have discussed some key activities that a company should be doing to have a better public relations. Coming to leaderships, it states a basic definition that a person who can motivate, influence others to work for a common goal efficiently is known as a leader. And we have discussed what are the qualities one should have to be a good leader. And we have also discussed the type of leadership styles that are autocratic, democratic, laissez-faire, situational, etc. And moving to teamwork, we have seen the basic definition of teamwork, and we have discussed how electrician and a plumber should be team up with the civil team to reduce the chances of free work. So that is all about public relations, leadership, and teamwork topic, construction technology and management. These topics come under the third year first semester in R23 regulation of JNTU syllabus. So I hope you have understood these concepts. In our next video, I'll be covering the ethics topic. So thanks for watching. Do subscribe and keep learning.